See that? See that? How about this one? Want to try this one? Try the mouse. Yum. She won't even give me a break to put more food on it.
I know she loves that. Why did she?
Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Wow. You're really going to town on that. Yes, you are. Yeah. Now you're looking at me. Good girl. I see you. Yeah, a little vibration. See the alertness in her eyes? You know that's on, don't you? Oh, I can feel you biting. You just wanted oral stimulation. That's what you wanted, yes. Let me turn it off. Okay, so I just want you to bite on this, and I want you to hold it for a count of 5. All right, so you're going to bite, and I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what I'm going to be watching for is when you open your jaw. I don't want you to open your jaw up real wide like you usually do. So when you see this, I want you to figure out, gauge how wide your jaw should open, okay? Let's try it. Good job. Bite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now just hold it. Bite it again, and then hold that bite. It's called a sustained bite. Just hold it. Don't chew. Okay? Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And I like the way you opened your jaw as it was coming. You didn't open it too wide. That's great. So I'm going to switch this tip out. Just unscrew it. And let's put in this one. This one's a little harder because it's not as thick, but he's still cute. Okay, so I'm going to bring it to your mouth. You're going to judge how wide to open up your jaw. I'm going to bite on it, and I'll count up to 5. Okay, you're going to keep biting on it. You're not going to chew. Okay, just bite. All right? Ready? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Good, I like that. That was very good. And let's take the other one out. And put the cat back in. And this is the thinnest one. This is a little bit more difficult, okay? You just have to open up your jaw just a little bit. See? Just a little bit. Okay? Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. You did a wonderful job today. Thank you.